You go to the mechanic for a regular tune-up. You have about $300 on you, hoping that it'll be enough. The mechanic comes back with a bill detailing that he charged you $220 before taxes, which is the base price for the tune-up, plus $10 for air in your tires, for windshield $30 for transmission $20 for power steering oil top-up, $25 for coolant $40 for new wipers, $20 for an interior for an exterior light bulb. Well, you get the idea. So here are some basic maintenance tips you do not need a mechanic for that every driver should be able to do. If you want to save hundreds of dollars yearly, I advise you to consider do-it-yourself basic maintenance car repairs instead of frequent visits to the mechanic. By learning essential skills like replacing filters and checking fluid levels, you can eliminate the need for costly professional assistance in routine tasks. Invest in quality tools and source affordable parts to maximize savings. Following a regular maintenance schedule will help you catch potential issues early, avoiding expensive repairs later on while gaining a sense of accomplishment and independence. Newer drivers, you might want to save this video for future references throughout your car journey. Watch this video until the end because we're going to go in depth with this one. Let's get into it. Let's start with the necessary tools and organization, the mindset to have, and then the actual repairs. Must-have tools for any mechanic or DIY car repair. If you're looking to tackle your own car repairs or become a skilled mechanic, there are essential tools you should have in your arsenal. To ensure success, I advise you to invest in the following tools. Start with a small chair or stool to sit on. Some disposable clothes and gloves and shoes cause things might get dirty. Get a comprehensive socket set, including both metric and standard sizes. A reliable torque wrench is crucial for precise tightening of bolts and nuts. Don't forget about pliers, including slip joint and needle nose varieties, for gripping and maneuvering in tight spaces. A quality set of screwdrivers, both flathead and Phillips, is indispensable. Additionally, a sturdy jack and jack stands will provide the necessary support for lifting and securing your vehicle. A multimeter for electrical troubleshooting and a reliable set of wrenches will round out your toolkit. Finally, your phone. As for some repairs, it's a good idea to take pictures before you make any modifications, so you can put things back the way they were. With these essential tools at your disposal, you'll be well equipped to handle a wide range of car repairs with confidence. Now, advice to stay organized with tools during car repairs. When it comes to staying organized with your tools and fasteners during car repairs, here's some helpful advice. Consider using inexpensive plastic containers or repurposed egg cartons as storage options. They are budget-friendly and readily available. Group and categorize your tools and fasteners in a way that makes sense to you. Keep similar tools together and use separate sections or compartments for different types or sizes of screws and bolts. To avoid confusion, label your containers or sections. Clear labeling will make it easier to find what you need quickly. Maintain a clean and clutter-free workspace. Dedicate a specific area or workbench for your repairs, ensuring easy access to your tools and containers. Develop the habit of returning items to their designated storage containers after use. This will help maintain organization and save time in the long run. If you're environmentally conscious, repurposing old egg cartons is a sustainable option. It reduces waste and gives a new purpose to an everyday item. Remember, staying organized with your tools and fasteners will make your DIY car repairs more efficient and enjoyable. Find a system that works for you, keeping cost-effectiveness and eco-consciousness in mind. The mindset. When it comes to tackling your first small DIY repairs, remember that you've got this. Believe in yourself and your ability to learn. Take the time to educate yourself about the repair, watch tutorials, and familiarize yourself with the necessary tools and steps involved. Start with small tasks and gradually work your way up. Make sure you have the right tools for the job. Take your time, follow instructions carefully, and ask for help if needed. Keep an organized workspace for efficiency. Seek support from friends, family, or online communities. I also like to use YouTube when I'm unsure of anything. I mean, there are so many mechanics with great repair videos out there. Also, celebrate your progress along the way. With each repair, you'll gain confidence and skills. So, believe in yourself, educate, start small, have the right tools, take your time, stay organized, seek support, and celebrate your progress. You've got this. Now the repairs. Replace your filter. When it comes to air filters in your car, it's important to note that there are typically two different types: the engine air filter and the cabin air filter. However, for the purpose of this video, I will focus on the engine air filter located under the hood. The engine air filter is easier to access and replace on your own. It helps keep dust, debris, and other contaminants from entering the engine, ensuring optimal performance. This particular filter should be inspected once a year or every 15,000 to 30,000 miles or approximately 20,000 to 50,000 kilometers, but this can vary based on the car and driving environment. However, if you're unsure about the cabin air filter, which filters the air you breathe inside the car, it's recommended to visit a repair shop where they can assist you with its replacement due to its more challenging location. By taking care of the engine air filter yourself and seeking professional help for the cabin air filter, you can ensure that both filters are in good condition and contribute to a healthier and more efficient driving experience. Nowadays, most stores with a car section, they have some sort of tablet somewhere in the air filter, car wiper, or car light aisles from which you get to choose the exact model you need for your car. If not, ask for help from an employee. I suggest that you bring your car registration to have your specific car model info handy. The engine air filter is as simple to replace as you can imagine. It is usually a rectangular plastic box near the engine. Open the housing by removing the clips or screws that secure it. Take note of the orientation of the old air filter before removing it. Carefully lift out the old filter and inspect it for dirt and debris. If necessary, clean the housing before installing the new filter. Insert the new filter into the housing, ensuring it is properly aligned. Close the housing and secure it with the clips or screws. Regularly replacing the engine air filter improves airflow and protects your engine. If you like this video so far, take a second to subscribe to this channel and give us a like. Now back to the video. Clean your battery terminals. When it comes to maintaining your car's battery, cleaning the battery terminals is an important task that you can easily do yourself. To clean your battery terminals, start by gathering the necessary supplies: a wire brush, baking soda, water, and protective gloves. First, make sure the car is turned off and the keys are removed. Then, put on the gloves to protect your hands from any potential acid residue. Mix a solution of baking soda and water and apply it to the battery terminals using a brush. Scrub the terminals gently to remove any corrosion or buildup. Rinse the terminals with clean water and dry them thoroughly. Finally, reconnect the terminals, ensuring they are tightly secured. Regularly cleaning your battery terminals will help prevent electrical issues and ensure proper battery performance. Remember to consult your car's manual for any specific instructions related to your battery type. Make sure to follow these steps. You can easily clean your battery terminals and keep your car running smoothly. Now, to clean your headlights. Quickly said, I think it deserves its own video, but I'll still give you a quick option that'll help you save some bucks here. A quick option you have: if you're looking to restore clarity to your car headlights without breaking the bank, consider purchasing a cheap headlight restoration kit. These kits typically include sandpaper, a polishing compound, and a sealant. With an average price ranging from $10 to $30, they offer an affordable solution compared to professional restoration services. By investing in a kit, you can save money in the long run since you'll own it for life and can reuse it whenever your headlights start to become dull or hazy. Restoring your headlights improves visibility, enhances the overall appearance of your car, and eliminates the need for costly headlight replacements. Follow the instructions provided with the kit, and with a little effort, you can achieve impressive results and enjoy clear, bright headlights once again. Let me know in the comments down below if I should make a video about how to restore headlights permanently. Now, to top off your coolant. I won't cover this one here since I've already made a video on the topic where we cover it in more details, and this video would be way too long. There will be a link of the coolant video in the description box. Replace the fuses. When it comes to changing fuses in your car, it's not only safe, but also a relatively easy task. This, of course, is as long as you respect the safety measures specified in your car's owner's manual. First caution: before you open or work on a fuse box, be sure that your vehicle's ignition is turned off. Second caution: never replace a fuse with one that has different amperage than the original. Also, make sure the new fuse is the same color and size as the one you're replacing. Fuses are crucial components that protect electrical circuits from damage caused by excessive current flow. However, we understand that touching anything electric can be intimidating. If it is to you, contact your mechanic. To safely change a fuse, start by locating the fuse box in your car. In most vehicles, you'll find the fuse box under the dashboard, near the driver's side, or in the engine compartment. Once you've located the fuse box, make sure the car is turned off. Refer to your car's manual or the fuse box cover to identify the specific fuse related to the malfunctioning circuit. Using a fuse puller or a pair of needle nose pliers, gently remove the faulty fuse and replace it with a new one of the same amperage rating. Remember to handle the fuses with care and ensure your hands are dry to avoid any electrical shock. By following these simple steps and taking necessary precautions, you can safely and easily change fuses in your car, restoring electrical functionality without the need for professional assistance. We kept the easiest for last. Windshield washer fluid. When adding, locate the windshield washer fluid reservoir under the hood of your car. It's usually a plastic container with a windshield icon on the cap. Open the cap and pour the windshield washer fluid into the reservoir. Fill it to the recommended level mentioned in your car's manual. Ensure that you securely close the cap to prevent any leakage. Test the washer fluid by activating the windshield wipers and spraying the fluid onto the windshield. If needed, refill the reservoir. Now, when changing wipers, lift the wiper arm away from the windshield to access the wiper blade. Look for a release mechanism or tab where the wiper blade attaches to the arm. Depress the tab and slide the old wiper blade down and off the wiper arm. Align the new wiper blade with the arm and slide it into place until it clicks. Lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Additionally, ensure you use the appropriate windshield washer fluid recommended for your car and choose wiper blades that are compatible with your vehicle's make and model. Remember to consult your car's manual for specific instructions related to your vehicle, as some models may have slight variations in the process. If you don't have these resources or lifting the hood is just not for you, that's fine. Not everybody is born to be a mechanic, and it's okay. That's why there are car repair shops after all. Well, there you have it, people. Thanks for watching and allowing me to share this information with you. Don't forget to watch our latest episode on how to spot a coolant leak on an overheating car in our Did You Know playlist. Give us a like if you learned anything. Leave a comment to share your upsetting repair shop stories with us. Until next time, drive safe. This was Carsimply.